We are Bacoor, a blockchain company founded in 2017. Spreading among Japan and Vietnam, we have assembled a team of proficient experts in the field. The energetic core allows our end-to-end solutions to cover everything from consulting to deployment. In fact, our team always positions ourselves ahead of every single curve in the industry, from Web3 adoption to building mobile apps with React Native, on top of powerful smart contract and highly interactive API. Bacoor has successfully delivered blockchain solutions for clients in various domains, such as finance, NFT, entertainment, and gaming. On our own, we have launched HB Wallet, Pantograph, Keyring Pro, and other minor projects with hundreds of thousands of users all over the world. Keyring Hard Wallet is another cool innovation, launching in the fall of 2023, where private key comes in a physical form. Bacoor is eager to take on new challenges and create value. Work with us and build on blockchain today. Bacoor, your pathway to blockchain.